I bet you didn't know your next unforgettable getaway is just a click away. Dive into the luxurious world of Warwick Hotels and Resorts. Warwick Hotels and Resorts invites you on a visual journey to explore their stunning properties around the globe. From the elegance of their accommodations to the enticing dining experiences, every corner exudes luxury and charm. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family adventure, or a business trip, Warwick promises an unparalleled experience. Picture yourself lounging by a breathtaking pool, savoring gourmet cuisine, or hosting an event in their exquisite venues. Their photo gallery is more than just pictures, it's an invitation to dream. Imagine the possibilities as you browse through images of idyllic surroundings and unforgettable moments. So why wait? Start your virtual exploration today and let Warwick Hotels and Resorts ignite your wanderlust. Your next adventure awaits.